Hi, my name is Bruno. I'm a postdoc fellow here at the Olden Institute at the University of Texas at Austin. And today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the MATCSSI platform to run electronic structural calculations, EPW calculations, and Berkeley GW calculations. So once you access the website, you should be seeing a platform that looks a little bit like this. You should also be able to see some information about the project, how the project works, what's our philosophy, who is participating on our team, and also all the codes that we will eventually be supporting, which right now is the EPW code and also the Berkeley GW code. You can also find some help if you need any assistance for anything to connect to the platform or to use any of the codes or any of the notebooks that I'll be showing today. You can always contact Sabia Zacitiwari or Feliciano Giustino, which is our PI here at the University of Texas at Austin. So once you access this website, the first thing that you want to do is to log in right here on the corner, which should be asking for your TACC information. So you're going to create your TACC account before accessing the platform. With your username and password, you should be able to log in with no much problems. You can connect, and you should be able to see a page that looks somewhat like this. So here, the way that's going to work is that you have, again, all the information that you had before. You have some information about your own account that you can access here on the side. But most importantly, you have all of this section on the left side, which tells you a little bit of information about the applications that you have available on the platform and also the different allocations that you will be using to run these calculations. So in our case, for MATCSSI, we want to be going to Applications, and then MATCSSI on the bottom, and finally Jupyter Notebook HPC MPI here. So this will allow you to create a session at the Frontera supercomputer here at TACC, where you'll be able to run all of these calculations in real time. So the first thing that you want to do is select the allocation that you have available. If you're not already a Frontera user, a TACC user, you're probably going to have just one allocation available, but you have multiple, you can always select a different one. You have access to the different queues that we have in Frontera, the different partitions where you can run these different calculations, and development is probably the one that you'll be using most. Here you also have the options to set the time, which you can always set to 2 hours, which is the timeline of our partitions, the number of cores per node, which will depend on whatever you want to run for your specific systems, and also now node counting in case you need more cores. So once you have set up everything that you want for your specific job, what you want to do is to come here and click in Submit. So this might take a couple seconds. This is issuing a job at Frontera, which is being allocated for us in the next couple seconds. So once it's confirmed, you can see here on the top that the job has been submitted successfully. You can then go to your history, and you should be able to see the job queuing here for a couple seconds to a couple minutes. Once it's done, here on the side, you're going to see a button that you can click, and this will open your Jupyter Notebook sessions, where you'll be able to do everything.